Hi everyone, so I have a package to share with you guys. I'm working again with NBeads.com and they did give us a coupon code. It's VAG02 and that saves $5 off your order of $40 or more. So let me share with you guys what they sent. There is so much good stuff in here. I cannot wait to create and share with you guys. Okay, so this had a plastic wrap around it, but I took it off to save time. So did this one. And then on these, I just cut this one open. So let's dig on in. I did pick a die, which is different for me because you guys know I usually pick like jewelry and beads for my collaboration videos with like sponsor videos. So I picked a bead this time. I think this will be nice to make a little slimline card and then maybe cut this out in gold. So that's my idea for this, is to make some cards. And then I got these super cute clay Santa Claus. And he is going to be the main dangle piece of some chunky charms. So that's what he looks like. And then in this one, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this one. So when I cut this open, of course I took a peek. And right away, I was like, look, it's Santa Claus Davy Jones. Davy Jones is from Pirates of the Caribbean. And then my mom goes, oh God, you know you're a Disney fan when you think Santa Claus looks like a Disney character. So yeah, I thought he looked like Davy Jones from Pirates of the Caribbean. And then this is the best glass snowman that I have seen so far. Like, I love his face. Look at his little nose. These are pure perfection. And then here is the Christmas tree. So stinking cute. So what I plan to do is keep them as they are, because look at how cute they are. They already come with this tiny little chain and a lobster clasp. So what I'm going to do is just add a couple of beads in here, and then bam, we have a little bead dangle charm already. So how cute will that be for your purse or your planner? Or for an embellishment, for any kind of project. That's going to be so cute. So we'll have to see if I can be able to add some beads to these little chain, because they are pretty small. But I think I can. I think the jump ring will fit through there. So we are going to play with that. So we got those. And then this one right here, I'm so excited that they had this in a Christmas kit. Look at how fun these are going to be. These are giant little safety pins, and they do work, so be careful you don't stab yourself there. And they come in gold. So there's, oh, so here are the little rings right here, and it comes with charms right here that you could go ahead and attach. And then it does come with the jump ring that you need to go ahead and attach it to there. So I have a couple of ideas. Oh, look. There is a little opening back here, so I'm thinking about stringing a chain from this hole to this hole, and then you can have little charms right here. How cute would that be? Okay, so that's my idea for this, but let me show you all the different charms that are included in here. Now, these do come with, I think, doubles, so I think you get 2 of every design, I think it is. We'll check right now. So we have a Santa Claus, and he has a little rhinestone in his hat. We have this Santa Claus. He is so cute. Look at him. He's too cute. There's this little reindeer. We have a happy. This reminds me of like birthday, not so much Christmas. There's a little reindeer right here, and he has his little red nose already. Look at these. I love this one. It's a little moon Santa. He's so cute. So there's 2 of those. There's that Santa with the rhinestone. There is this little candy cane in gold, red, and green. There's a rainbow. There's this rainbow snowflake, and I don't like that it's rainbow, so I'm going to try to paint it. So we'll have to see how that comes out, if I'm able to do that. And I think that's all of them. Oh, and there's this little Christmas wreath. That's super cute. And then, yeah, that's it. So you get 2 of each design. So here's pretty much all the designs right there. Really, really cute. So that's one kit. And then when you're done using everything in here, you have a little embellishment box that you get to use. So that's awesome. I love when they come in their own little cases like that. And then the last item that I picked, I'm so excited for. Look at all this yummy goodness. I wish it was so much easier to find a bag of beads like this set for each holiday. I would love to have a bag where I could be like, oh, look, Halloween beads, let's buy that. Like this one, Christmas beads, let's buy that. Valentine's Day, all the beads together, let's buy that. St. Patrick's Day, let's buy that. Like, I love that this is a bag ready to go, so you don't even have to worry about piecing it together. It's all in this one bag. So I am obsessed with this bag right here. And technically you could even use this for Valentine's Day or St. Patrick's Day, because it has like the gold for St. Patrick's with the green right there. Look at that. Really, really cute. So I love this. It comes with your little rhinestone beads, which are gorgeous. So we have those. Then we have these gold little pearl beads. And we have these green beads with polka dots. We have some green stripes. Look at this one. This has like an iridescent shine to this red one. Look at this one. Looks like a green little disco ball. Really cute. So love those. And then there are some white ones in here. Let's get some more. Oop, lost one. So let's see. We have some red stripe ones that look like candy canes. Then some solid red. Oh, look at this white one right here. A little iridescent pearl white one. Lots of yummy goodness. And I think that is showing all of them right there. So we have our stripes, we have a solid, we have this little disco ball looking one, we have some rhinestone ones. Really, really great mix. I am absolutely in love, love, love with this pack right here. This would definitely be like a reorder, because like I said, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, you can definitely use this bag for those holidays as well. So love that mix. And look at how pretty it looks just in there. Like, that's just like pure happiness in a box right there. Like, seeing all these beautiful beads just brings a smile to my face. I just love how pretty that looks. So you guys, we have a lot of fun upcoming videos. So it is November 1st and we are gearing up to go into full swing Christmas mode. So I hope you guys are ready to go along on this ride with me. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and I can't wait to share my projects with you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.